What up guys, it's Cam here. Today I'm gonna teach you guys how to kiss your cat. Cats are really sensitive. You can't just approach them and kiss them directly. You really need to slow down. So many people rushed it and they felt so hard. So just take your time and follow my steps, and eventually you'll be able to kiss your cat. Step 1. Just pat your cat first. Patting your cat will really chill your cat down. They'll feel really comfortable and relaxed. Step 2. Cats are really proud. They're like princesses. You need to show them respect. You want to kiss a girl, you need to show her respect. It's the same thing, okay? So step 2, we're gonna kiss his paw and show some respect. After kissing his paw, we're almost there, but we still need to be patient, okay? We're not gonna kiss him on the lips directly because they'll be too direct, right? So we need to slow down and kiss him on the forehead first. After those 3 steps, we're ready to go. But remember, be gentle, okay? Sorry guys, we still have some communication problems. Just give me a minute, okay?
就假装亲一个，待会儿给你小鱼干。
This is it. This is my tutorial on how to kiss your cat. And please subscribe if you like this video, and I'll see you guys next time.